So I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $32. Seems like a pretty reasonable price point. This is an outdoor cushion set. It's designed for chairs that need a 24 by 24 cushion. And inside of this is a cloth cushion with foam. And so there's a thing on the top here that says, do not use blades to open this up. So if you are using a blade, you are violating the packaging instructions. All right, so in the box we have what looks like a very compressed vacuum-packed pillow, as well as what looks like the zippered covers. And so they have instructions here, normal spring back time of the outdoor chair cushion. So you compress the package, you open it. It's going to need to be left for 1 to 2 days to return to its normal size. It says you can put it in the dryer and dry it at a low temperature for 5 to 10 minutes. And then you fold this thing in half, making it easier to stuff into the cover, stuff it, zip it, adjust all the sides, pat down evenly. Knead your cushions to make them fluff. So it sounds like this might be memory foam, where after we open it, it's going to off-gas and take a couple of days to kind of get up to size. Let's give it a shot here. Okay, the air is going in. So those cushions, what they were saying, 1 to 2 days, it really seems like they're usable. They might get bigger than this, but it looks like they're certainly usable right now. So I'm going to just go ahead and put them into the covers. All right, so we have 2 different covers here. One is for the top and one is for the bottom. I'm not quite sure which is which. It looks like the bottom one is bigger and the top one has a handle on it. So cushion-wise, this cushion is definitely a little bigger than this cushion. I believe this is the backrest cushion. So there is a definite smell, kind of your foam expanding type smell. Luckily, these are outdoor cushions, so once I get them outside, that smell will dissipate outside. All right, so it was very easy to put that cushion inside there. It might be because I put the cushion in before the foam had fully expanded, in which case I think that's the way to go to make it easy on yourself. So there's a handle on this side, there's a zipper down here, there's 2 little round fabric loops here, which I'm assuming you could feed one of these through before you tie it to the chair to hold both of them in place on the chair. Or you could leave it separate and be able to move this cushion and take it somewhere else with the handle. There is no marking on the zipper pull. So nothing on this zipper is magnetic, so I don't believe you're going to have any rust issues from that zipper. Bottom cushion was pretty easy to get in there. This one also has a side handle for carrying it, along with these 2 tie straps here that have plenty of length to loop into the top part and then tie around the back of the chair. Material wise, it's kind of slick. It definitely feels water resistant. Pretty reasonable firmness here. All right, this is my aluminum backed yard furniture here. The frame works really well, but the cushions need to be replaced every so often. That does fit pretty well for there. Alright, so this is the loop from the top cushion or the back cushion, and then here's the string from the bottom cushion. So I'm able to put it through that loop, and then I can just bow it around the leg of the chair here, and that will keep both the top and the bottom cushion in place on this chair, so I don't have to worry about them blowing away in the wind or anything like that. Or I can lift the chair up and they won't fall out. Those cushions work just fine. There's little slats and openings in the bottom, but the foam bridges over that well enough. Now, my previous cushions on this chair fell prey to squirrels. I'm hoping they will find the foam inside here unpalatable, because they were digging holes in and pulling out stuffing to use for nests, I think, and I'm hoping the foam will be less attractive to them.